Top 10 foods that are beneficial for kidney health. Number 1. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin K. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can benefit kidney health. Number 4. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that is low in saturated fat and high in antioxidants. It can help reduce inflammation and support heart health, which is important for kidney function. Number 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low potassium vegetable that is high in fiber and vitamins. Number 7. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Number 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6 as well as fiber. Number 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is low in potassium and high in vitamins K and C as well as fiber. Number 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein that is low in potassium and high in fiber. It can be a great alternative to higher potassium grains and supports overall health. Number 10. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C, making it a nutritious choice. It can support kidney health and provide essential nutrients.